Got a letter about an allocated waiver mortgage with a check looking tear off for $199. Here's what they don't tell you. That phrase isn't a normal mortgage product. It's usually marketing or a flat out scam. If that mailer just hit your kitchen counter, breathe. In the next few minutes, I'll decode what allocated waiver mortgage really means, how these notices hook people, what a legitimate mortgage waiver actually is, the red flags that give fakes away, and the exact one-line script that keeps your money and your identity safe. I'll also show you where to verify anything about your loan without calling the number on a mystery letter. Let's clear the air first. Allocated waiver mortgage is not standard mortgage language. Lenders, title companies, and county recorders don't use that phrase on real loan documents. Where you do see it is an unsolicited mail that looks urgent. Final notice: signature required for redemption, sometimes with a perforated voucher around $199. The fine print often admits it's not a check. The goal is to make you call a phone number that isn't your lender's, so a marketer can sell you something. Commonly, a home warranty or mortgage protection add-on you didn't ask for. The FTC has warned about look-alike property mail that mimics banks and attaches check-style coupons to get you to call immediately. Credit unions and community banks have flagged the same pattern by name. Allocated waiver mailers that mention your actual lender to feel legit, urge an immediate call, and have zero connection to your mortgage account. When members call the real credit union, they learn the credit union didn't send it. That's your tell right there. So why did they find you? Basic property details are public. After you close, your deed of trust or mortgage gets recorded with the county, and data brokers scrape those filings. Marketers then mash your name, address, and lender into official-looking mail. It's legal to mail you ads. It's not legal to impersonate your bank, but the line gets blurred with vague wording and fake refund vouchers. The point is not to panic. It's paper phishing. Now, there are legitimate waiver documents in the mortgage world, just not this. A release or satisfaction of mortgage is real. When you pay off or refinance, your lender records a release to clear the lien. That's a normal, boring, beautiful document. In some places, you'll see partial releases for subdivided land. All genuine. You may also see lawful waivers around a mortgage in other contexts. In the UK, an occupier waiver is a form an adult occupier signs to confirm they won't block repossession if the borrower defaults. Again, a real concept used by solicitors, not a junk mail coupon. In commercial deals, lenders sometimes ask for mortgagee waivers or landlord waivers, so their lien has priority over a tenant stuff. These are negotiated documents between known parties, not surprise postcards. Back to the mystery letter. The red flags are surprisingly consistent. The mailer uses your lender's name but no clear sender. It mimics a check but isn't one. It screams allocated waiver like it's a deadline you missed. It demands a phone call to a number you've never seen before. And it wants personal info. Your birth date, last four of your SSN, maybe your loan number to verify benefits. That's the data recipe for identity theft or an unwanted contract. The FTC's advice is simple. If something about your property shows up and urges you to call immediately, don't use the number in the letter. Use a number you already trust. Here's the one-line script that shuts the door kindly and completely. I'll call my lender back using the number on my monthly statement. Thank you. Then hang up. If they push, repeat it. If they claim to be your lender, excellent. Your lender's real number is on your statement and online banking. Call that. If your lender didn't send it, they'll tell you in 2 minutes. And if they did send something, rare, They'll know exactly what it is. What if you already called the letter? Don't beat yourself up. Do 3 things. First, stop talking to the caller and contact your actual lender using a trusted number. Ask if any waiver, insurance, or add-on was requested or placed. Second, if you shared personal details, keep an eye on your credit, place a fraud alert, and consider a freeze if you want maximum lockdown. Third, report the mailer to the FTC so patterns get investigated, and tell your lender so they can warn other customers. Now, just for your radar, here are the legit times waiver comes up with mortgages, so you don't throw away something real. 1. At payoff, you should receive a release satisfaction of mortgage, and it should be recorded with the county. You can verify it in your recorder's online index. 2. If you live outside the U.S., you may see an occupier waiver in a solicitor's pack when someone who isn't on the loan lives at the property. That's